What's up, everybody? Welcome to Machete Boys Barbecue. This is our third trip to the American Royal, also known as the largest barbecue family reunion in the world. And this one's super special because not only do we have Corey J, who's been joining us for the last three, but he also managed to bring out the illustrious Alan Larimore from Smokestack Barbecue Supply Store, manager extraordinaire, cooking his first Royal. Are you excited about it?
I am so excited.
Pumped about it.
I'm excited to cook with Corey.
Corey is cooking this weekend. Usually this guy, usually he's just drinking beer and turning boxes and he's the cheerleader, right? But then we also got Kristen's with us. It's Thursday afternoon. Nothing gets started until tomorrow. So we've got tons of time to make lunch, hang out. The team was nice enough to bring up a Gozney. And one thing that I've always wanted to do was to cook wings in this thing. And because I've never actually used it. Have you used it for anything other than pizza?
I have not.
Yeah? You have?
Yep. So I reverse seared some picanha.
Yeah.
And tri-tip in it.
And how did that turn out?
It was fantastic. So today we're using the Arc from Gozney. Gozney is a company that started in the UK making commercial pizza ovens, and they got into the recreational side of things. They have a few different sizes of pizza ovens. They have the Arc XL, the Dome, which is their dual fuel wood and propane, and the Rock Box, which is their portable.
Kristen, this is your third American Royal. So while I'm loading our wings onto a pizza peel here that we're gonna slide into the Gozney Arc, Kristen, tell me your absolute best Royal memory.
Favorite memory would be actually making it here the first year. It looked like I wasn't going to make it, and I was able to make it at the last minute. So that was very exciting.
All right, so it's a whole team effort to get these wings in. Corey's going to slide them into the Gozney here. Don't drop it, buddy. Go ahead, bud. Put them in there. Nice and easy. Are we cooking them on the pizza peel, or are we getting them off and then taking them? Oh, I see what he's doing. All right, listen at that sizzle. So we've had these in here for about a minute now. Corey's down here with his tongs trying to get them to turn over a little bit. They're looking pretty crispy in there though. They look pretty good. I think this is gonna wreck the pizza oven though. So we had to do a little audible here because our previous plan wasn't working. So we put our wings into a pan and we're just gonna let them rock out in the pan. The Gozney right now is running at 710 degrees, and that's as low as she goes.
So David, what's your favorite memory over the years that come to the Royal? Have I been with you every year for this?
Yeah, you have been with me every year, and sitting off camera over there, Matt Miller's been with us every year too from Whiskey Creek Barbecue. My favorite memory actually was on Saturday night last year when we finally got our first call at the American Royal. For those of you who don't know about the American Royal, it's a 2-day event. Day one is the invitational event. If you win a GC at any sanctioning body, any competition in the United States, then you get an opportunity to cook the invitational event, which is on Saturday. And then Saturday night, they also have a bunch of open categories. These guys are playing those games. And then Sunday is the open event. So everyone that is here I think probably this weekend, we're north of 400 teams, I think less than 450. They cook the open events. And the open events, is the same 4 KSBS categories that we always cook, plus the sausage entry, but the sausage entry is optional. Are you doing sausage?
Yep. I'm in charge of the sausage this year. Oh, you went there, huh?
You guys have been in here now for, what do you guys think collectively? Kristen, how many minutes have they been in there? She's usually on top.
7 minutes, 39 seconds.
7 minutes and 39 seconds? All right, so let's try and get a temp on these guys, see where we're rocking. 185. I'm gonna call that. I mean, it's not 200, but you want to do a little longer? Maybe like 3 more minutes or something?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a couple more guests here. We've got Amy from Hot Daddy's Barbecue, also known affectionately as the Banana Bar Lady. If you haven't had banana bars at a contest, well, you ain't. Let me tell you that. Yeah. And then of course we got Matt, Whiskey Creek Barbecue. I don't think our YouTube channel's met Matt before, but Matt runs a phenomenal food truck up in Minnesota. Been a great partner with Machete Boys Barbecue for 4 years now. But you guys have been to the Royal a bunch.
Yeah.
Amy, coming hot off the jack, 6th place out of 80 teams, 80 championship teams that had to be drawn. So very, very smooth life. What's your favorite Royal memory?
We always do the pictures after the turn-ins, and usually I am one of the fans and with the smokestack.
Oh, you're talking about the turn-in pics with the girls.
Yeah, well, not always.
Yeah,
Our
yeah.
Matt's in there.
Yeah, I think I was in that one a
You
couple
heard
years
that
ago.
one?
Yep.
I'll just call me one of the girls.
All right, real quick, Matt. I want to hear your favorite Royal memory.
But that first year was quite the experience. It was hot.
Yeah,
I remember
it is.
that. It was hot, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky the whole time. But meeting new teams, like that was the year you introduced me to the Pirates of Barbecue Bay.
Yeah.
Awesome guys. Like the opportunity to meet with Tootsie at Snows was really cool. She's a barbecue legend, and to get a picture with her is well worth any wait.
That's cool. That's cool to me because I don't have a good memory to meet people. So like, your excitement for it's awesome. I love it.
And taking a shot with Myron Mixon at the tequila tent.
Boy, how are our wings looking?
Beautiful, man. They're
They're
all
looking
just over
good?
200.
Just over 200. Perfect. I like it. Let's stick it in. All right, Amy, we got sauce choices here. Alan did us a solid and bought us down the Oconee Gold. It's actually really reminiscent for me because this tastes like a barbecue sauce I remember from a barbecue place I used to go to with my grandparents. So we're gonna put a little of that down in there. Oh,
Man down.
Corey fails the chef test.
This is the one that I have for doing this is one of the wide bowls.
Oh, here.
This one's deep.
It's all on the wrist, buddy.
Is it?
Yeah.
The next flick of the wrist.
So the flick of the wrist. There you go, baby. Just sauce those things up. All right, so our wings are done. We've also got some lanes. We've got some lanes, one-legged chicken. I've never tried this one before, but excited to get that down in here. But most of all, I'm excited to have lunch with all of these wonderful people that we know and love that we get to see at the American Royal every year. Have a wing, buddy.
All right.
Let's do the taste test. Dig in there. Let us know what we think. Amy, have you had the mustard sauce from Oconee Gold? All right, let's taste it up. Let's taste it out, see what it's like. Can I offer anybody else a wing? We'll get these people over here that don't want to be on camera. See, watch this. Watch this. This is Nona from Mr. Dude's Barbecue. Say hi, Nona.
Hi.
Yeah. Let's see if we get another one to come over. Amy, what do you think about that? Any good? Yeah? That's awesome. The mustard sauce is a little bit different. It doesn't have like that really over-the-top tanginess that we would think it do.
Right.
But as always, you guys, thanks for watching Machete Boys Barbecue.